Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Komal and I'm owner of Scoop Crunchies and Co. Today I'm taking you behind the scene to show you how I pack each order with love and care. Every item you order is special and I want to make sure it gets to you looking just as beautiful as when it left our shop. Firstly, we start writing a name on thank you note which we include with every order. Just to let you know how much I appreciate your support. Your order means the world to me and help my small business to grow. To make our customer feel loved, we put little extra effort and write their name on packing mailers so it can make their order opening experience more special. We have wide range of hair accessories made from satin fabric. You can check our Instagram page for more information. Today's first order is from this customer. He has ordered one dual color reversible satin bonnet in black and dusty pink color. And at the last we close the mailer with thank you sticker. And tada! It's done! Let's move to our second order. This order is from Nishali. She has ordered our big bonnet which we haven't launched in our shop yet. But since she wants something bigger than our regular satin bonnet, we made this big bonnet for her. This bonnet is a perfect for a girlies with long, thick and curly hairs. And since it's reversible, you can use it from both sides. She also got viral flower hair glow in purple color. Wrapping it in bubble wraps to make sure it doesn't get damaged while reaching you. Each product is carefully folded and packaged to keep it looking pristine until it reaches you. Quality is always our top priority, and I want you to feel the love I put into each piece. And lastly, let's pick the biggest order of this month. Always grateful to have customers like Tanisha. She got herself two satin pillow covers in standard size, one reversible satin bonnet, two crunchies brathi clip, six skinny crunchies in black and six skinny crunchies in blush color. We are specialized in handmade satin crunchies, headband pillow covers and other luxurious hair accessories. Satin is not only gorgeous but also gentle on your skin and hair, which is why I absolutely love making this for you. And since she purchased over 500 rupees, we threw her one princess kanji as a freebie. Thank you so much, Tanisha, for this lovely order. And here is the final product, ready to ship straight to you. Thank you so much for supporting my small business. It means so much to me, and I hope you love your new accessories. Thanks for watching. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe us for more behind the scenes and updates. See you next time.